In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business PayPal account in the Philippines. Whether you're starting a new venture or wanting to manage your existing business transactions smoothly, setting up a PayPal business account is a crucial step. Let's dive right in and go through the process together. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the PayPal Philippines homepage. You can easily navigate there by searching for PayPal PH or simply entering the URL www.paypal.com/ph into your browser's address bar. Once on the homepage, you'll see a variety of options and features showcased by PayPal, including their mobile wallet and other services that cater to both personal and business needs. But of course, today we're focusing on setting up that all-important business account. As you browse the homepage, locate and click on the Sign Up button. This is your gateway to creating a new account. PayPal will then present you with options to choose which type of account suits your needs. Here, you'll want to select Business to ensure access to all the available features designed to help business owners like you manage payments, invoices, and more. Once you've selected Business, click Get Started to proceed further. This is where the setup will become slightly more personalized to you and your business. It's time to enter your details. PayPal will ask for basic information about you and your business, such as your email address, business name, and contact details. Take your time here, as it's important that the information you provide is accurate and matches your official business documentation. Now, while filling in these details, be sure to have your business registration documents handy, as you may need to reference them. PayPal often requires this to verify your account, ensuring a secure transaction experience for both you and your customers. Once you've completed entering your details, PayPal might prompt you to confirm your email and verify some additional information just to make sure everything is accurate and in place. This process helps maintain the security of the platform and ensures that both you and your clients can transact with confidence. And that's it. Once you've followed these steps, your PayPal business account is set up and ready to go. You can now explore the various features and tools PayPal offers to help you manage and grow your business effectively, from sending invoices to receiving payments directly into your business account. Thanks for joining me in setting up your PayPal business account today. Remember, having a reliable payment platform is a vital part of modern business operations. Enjoy the convenience and capabilities PayPal has to offer.